Hi, I'm Nadine Chapman, the National Varroa Training and Education Coordinator. Miticides can be either synthetic or non-synthetic. Both have risks for you, your bees, and consumers. You should only use miticides that have been approved by the Australian Pesticide and Veterinary Medicines Authority. And before you apply any miticide, make sure it's permitted for use in your state or territory. All miticides should be applied and removed from the hive while wearing personal protective equipment or PPE. Different PPE are required for different chemicals, so you should check the permit or the label. Try to limit the number of things you touch once you touch the chemicals, and of course your ability to do so will vary with how many hives you have. Once you've finished applying the miticides, be sure to wash your gloved hands and any other equipment you have touched, and then you can safely remove your gloves and wash your hands. Miticides should only be used as per the APVMA permit instructions or the Australian label. You need to follow all of the instructions, which include storage, PPE, the number of strips, or the amount of product, duration of treatment, temperature at use, disposal, and record keeping. And what we don't want to see is off-label use, which is the use of miticides contrary to the conditions on the permit or label, including using more or less product than directed, incorrect length of treatment, using more than one type of chemical treatment at the same time, and not observing withholding periods. It also includes the use of products that have not been registered, and all of these things are illegal. The consequences of off-label use are chemical residues in hive products above maximum residue levels, making them unfit for human consumption, and having effects on bees including reduced colony strength and colony death. It also increases the risk that Varroa will become resistant to the miticide. It can result in negative industry-wide impacts by taking away one or miticides in our toolbox, impact domestic and export markets, and result in the industry being less prosperous and beekeepers leaving the industry. Maximum residue levels are the international standards setting out the maximum amount of chemicals that can be present in food, including apiary products. MRLs for the same chemical can vary from country to country, and exceeding them can have an impact on honey exports and Australia's reputation. Withholding periods provide the limitations under which maximum residue levels will not be exceeded. So if you follow the instructions on the permit or the label, then MRLs will not be exceeded. Some treatments can be used with a super on the hive, while others cannot. Some treatments may require no super to be placed for a period after the treatment is removed, while others can have a super placed as soon as the treatment's removed. So there's a lot of variation, and you'll find all of these details on the permit or label, and it's important that you look at it and understand it.